I'm
Mm.
now the hunted. You think of, for example, what's happened in Ukraine.
Yes.
I think those are crucial factors. Another aspect related to this technology is they have incredible low barriers to entry. So it's not like the nuclear weapon or
Mm-hmm.
Manhattan Project, where only at the start only one nation could bring it all together. And if we're talking
Yes.
about AI, if we're talking about drones, it's not just big, small nation states, it's corporations, even down to individuals.
Mm.
And that also means they're now coming in numbers that are very different. Orders of magnitude are what matter now. If we're talking about everything from, AI and large language models to you're worried about drone strikes, whether in Ukraine or you're in the US military worrying about a scenario in the Pacific. It's not onesies and twosies. It's ones into 10,000s or 100,000s. And oh, by the way, very same
Mm.
phenomenon working in a business. How am I thinking about the effect of AI? How am I thinking about the effect of robotics? It's not,
Yes.
am I going to have one AI? Am I going to replace one employee? Or am I going to use one robotic system? It's that quantitative side, the orders of magnitude side that creates all this disruption.
Wow, that is quite fascinating. So